Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to look at how to create spreads in Adobe Illustrator. A couple of notes. It is usually easier to work with and create books in InDesign, which is more natural for spreads and pagination. But I know there may be times that you want to use Illustrator if you're more comfortable with the program. So this is a preview of how we're going to be setting up pages as spreads. You will want to work closely with your artboards panel open by going to Window and selecting Artboards. And you're also going to want to get familiar with the shortcut for editing artboards, which is Shift-O. I'm going to go ahead and remove my spread so you can see how to create those. So now you can see that this is a 10-page document, and let's look at how we can set up spreads. So you may want to zoom in, but let's begin connecting the pages that will be spreads, and it will help if you have Smart Guides turned on. So go to View and check Smart Guides. And we want to make sure that each of the spreads are exactly aligned, which again, you may want to zoom in. So now I have all the pages connected. However, they're still only being read as pages. If I were to save this as a PDF, each artboard would be its own page. So to create the spreads, you can either click in a corner. You might have to be a little bit careful, but try to get it exactly without moving the artboard. You can see, depending on where you are clicking, it might have to be a little bit outside of it, but you're going to want to make sure that the artboard containing both pages is exact. So again, you're going to want to zoom in and resize your new artboard exactly. And make sure it is centered. So the width and height for this US letter size would be 17 by 11. Another method to make sure your spread size is exact is to create an artboard outside of those pages at the correct dimensions. So 17 by 11. And you can click and drag that, overlaying both pages. So choose the workflow that is most efficient and accurate for you. And this is a demo, so I'm going a little bit quicker. But now you can see I have my additional artboards for the spreads. I'm going to rename those so I know what they are. So this is my table of contents spread. And then I'm just going to title these. And for whenever I save this, I do want the back cover to be very last. I'm going to drag and reorder that. Now to save this as a PDF just for preview, not necessarily for print, I'm going to go to File and Save to save my Illustrator document, and then File, Save As. I want this to be a PDF. And for the range, looking over at my artboard panel, I want the cover, which is page 1, comma, and now I want all of the spreads plus the back cover, which is artboards 10 through 14. Now, if I keep the spreads together, it's going to be a little bit easier on just typing in that range versus reordering the spreads. But again, do whatever makes sense for you. If you want the spread for pages 1 and 2 to be right above or below it, you're just going to have to type in more values here when saving. And for the settings, I'm going to do high quality, uncheck preserve Illustrator editing capabilities to optimize the file, and save. When I open the PDF, I'm going to open the Pages panel, and you can see that the cover is its own page, and now I have each of the spreads and the back cover. So now let's save this for print by going to File, Save As, selecting PDF, the same range, and now I want high quality print, uncheck preserve Illustrator editing capabilities, And under marks and bleed, I want to turn on or check the box to turn on bleeds and trim marks at least. And now looking at this PDF, we have the trim marks, and we can't quite see this since there isn't a background, but it has saved the bleed. And that is how you create spreads in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this video helped with your process. I will add a link in the description if you want to download the sample file. And if this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Take care.